The Karnataka government has announced the formation of a special investigation team SIT to look into alleged irregularities in the procurement of COVID-19 treatment supplies during the BJP's time in power. This comes after the Michelle de Cunha Commission, which was set up to investigate the issue, submitted its interim report to the state government. Speaking to the media after a cabinet meeting, Law Minister H.K. Patel said, "We have received numerous complaints about irregularities in the purchase of PPE kits and medicines during the pandemic. As a result, the cabinet has approved the formation of an SIT to thoroughly investigate these allegations."
We have taken a decision that SIT, Special Investigating Team, should be constituted to start, and the interim report will be placed to them, and they will be taking all required papers, material, even the recommendations, resolutions of PSC and other committees. And SIT constituted will be headed by no less than a IG.
When will this society be constituted and who will
Very soon, very soon. In next 3-4 days. Chief Minister is not in station tomorrow and day after. He is going for campaign in Maharashtra. As soon as he comes, perhaps the decision will be taken.
Sir, the committee will only investigate the matter and lodge cases, or there will be a process of recovery of.
Definitely, see, SIT will mainly focus on criminal side, the crimes committed, the offences made by omission or commission, and also some thefts of papers, some misappropriation. And there is a report that a lot of papers are missing, and there are no accounts for hundreds and hundreds of crores of rupees. In these cases, the criminal cases are to be filed. That will be one major work of that. And as regards recovery of money, I think we'll have to have a different setup, a institution, and that will look after the recovery of money.
I think in COVID case, the Congress government doing to Mr. Yediyurappa and Sri Ramulu for the Muda reason and Valmiki scandal in the government. This is involved in the CM. That's why they are to divert the issue. That's why this SIT COVID they brought. I think we will fight in the court.